Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add product to your that Shopify store. So in this video I will guide you step by step process. So don't skip this video to see the all process how I can add the product on that Shopify. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your that Shopify application on your mobile device, and before that make sure you are logged in. And if you don't know how to sign up and all in that Shopify store, so I made one video on that, go and check it, so you can do everything from there. So let's come to our video. In this you can see here a page of that Shopify. Inside that you can see at the down in the right side one three horizontal line is there. Beside that one icon is there, tap on that. So now you can see here add your products, so tap on that. So in that you have to select as a media, pictures and all you can add here, and you have to give your product title, and you have to explain about that product, what kind of it's and all everything here. And here it's asking for select category, so you have to give a category in which category your product belong to, so you have to give here. And you have to select your sale channel, like you want to sell point to point and everything, so whatever you want you can select. As I selected as a online store, so one it's showing at that. Now you have to select that variant, everything here, and it's inventory is available or not, so you have to select all those things. And after doing everything you will fill up. So in this way you can add a product on that Shopify application. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you guys on a next video.